Now, how can you change the Gmail to be in light mode on iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the Gmail application uses or adopts the mode which is also used on the iPhone, which means that generally when you have the dark mode enabled across the whole device, the background within Gmail will also not be white, right? Of course, it's not going to be like, the light mode. So in order to change that, of course, go to the control center, hold down on the brightness, and change the dark mode setting right there. Or for more options, find the settings app, get to the display and brightness, and there you also have the ability to change the automatic switching and the light and a dark mode right here as well. So it can all be managed like this. Keep in mind that you don't have the setting within the Gmail app to change like the theme or background in here. So if you need more options, feel free to explore some third-party mail clients which might have more options to pick between in terms of the background or whatever. There are obviously like the Spark Mail, Air Mail, Blue Mail, and all of these apps which might have more features than the one app that you are currently using, right? So as you can see, there are more ways to make sure it works out for you. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.